The community hall in Dublin is alive with music, laughter, and the mouth-watering aroma of Filipino food. Long tables overflow with spring rolls, fried rice, and a crispy roasted pig, the centerpiece of every Filipino feast. Warm hugs and happy greetings fill the room as friends and family reconnect. Kids dart between tables, faces sticky with sweets, while elders share stories and laughter. Food connects everyone to home. Each dish tells a story, every bite tastes like the Philippines. Here, celebration means sharing, belonging, and keeping traditions alive, even far from home. In every bite, the story of resilience and joy lives on. Filipino food is a blend of Spanish, Chinese, and local flavors, balancing sweet, sour, and salty in dishes like adobo. When Filipinos came to Ireland, they brought these tastes with them, even when ingredients were hard to find. They improvised, using local groceries to keep their food traditions alive. Soon, Filipino stores opened, bringing familiar flavors and a sense of home. Food became a way to connect, share culture, and welcome others. Today, Filipino food is a vibrant part of Ireland's food scene, telling stories of migration and belonging. Imagine an Irish kitchen on a rainy evening, not stew, but the smell of adobo cooking on the stove. The O'Brien family in Cork is making chicken adobo, a new favorite they found at a local food festival. Fiona, the mom, remembers being drawn in by the smell and loving the strong, comforting flavors. Now adobo is a regular meal, loved by her kids for its special taste and how simple it is. Filipino dishes are finding their way into Irish homes thanks to friendships, shared meals, and curiosity. A nurse brings noodles to work, an Irish friend tries roasted pig at a birthday party, small moments that open up new food worlds. Food helps people connect, making new friends and stronger bonds. Why do people like it? Filipino food is hearty and familiar but also exciting, slow-cooked stews and rice dishes with a twist. Dishes like adobo and beef stew are comforting like Irish classic dishes but with new flavors. For families like the O'Briens, cooking Filipino food is an adventure, a way to travel through taste. It brings a bit of Filipino sunshine into Irish homes, making even the rainiest days brighter. Irish tastes are welcoming these flavors, mixing old ways with new discoveries. Filipino food is more than just a passing trend, it's becoming part of the Irish food story. Every shared meal is a celebration of being open and curious. Through food, cultures meet, learn, and grow together. The kitchen becomes a place to explore and find joy. Filipino flavors are now a welcome guest at the Irish table. Food is what holds the Filipino community in Ireland together, bringing people to festivals and gatherings. At every event, from Independence Day in Dublin to local potlucks, the table is full of homemade dishes. The salo-salo, a huge potluck, shows how generous people are and how proud they are of their background. Lily, a home cook in Galway, keeps her family's memory alive through peanut stew, sharing it with friends old and new. For her, cooking is love, remembering, and a way to pass on traditions. Professional chefs like Chef Ray in Dublin introduce Filipino flavors to more people, mixing old ways with new styles. He remembers how hard it was to show Irish diners that Filipino food is special, not just another Asian food. Once people taste the balance of sweet, sour, and salty, they always come back for more. These gatherings are more than just meals, they're support systems, helping with homesickness and building a community. For new people, a table full of familiar food is a strong comfort. Around the dinner table, stories are shared, friendships are made, and people feel like they belong. The Filipino kitchen in Ireland is a place of connection, strength, and joy. Here, every meal celebrates who they are and being together. As Filipino food becomes more popular in Ireland, mixing different foods is becoming common. Chefs and home cooks mix Filipino flavors with Irish ingredients, making exciting new dishes. Imagine Irish lamb stew with adobo spices, or crispy pork belly served with mashed potatoes and cabbage. The adobo pie, tender meat in a tangy sauce wrapped in Irish pastry, is a favorite for many. Soft bread rolls filled with Irish cheddar cheese and ham are a simple, tasty snack that mixes cultures. Even Irish pubs that serve good food are trying new things, adding pork dishes inspired by sisig to their menus. These creations celebrate two cultures coming together on one plate. Mixed dishes are more than just new things. They show a growing Filipino-Irish identity. They tell stories of moving, changing, and being creative. As cultures blend, new traditions are born, making both communities richer. The Filipino influence is changing Ireland's food scene in delicious ways. Every mixed dish shows respect, new ideas, and shared joy. In Limerick, 14-year-old Jasmine learns to make spring rolls from her grandmother, Lola Tess. Born in Ireland, Jasmine connects with her Filipino roots through food, eager to share these treats with friends. Across Ireland, families pass down recipes, stories, and values through cooking. Food becomes a bridge between different ages and cultures. For young people like Jasmine, learning to cook Filipino dishes is a way to understand and celebrate who they are. Community groups now offer cooking classes for kids and teens, keeping traditions alive. These classes are fun, social, and very important for keeping their heritage. As the first group of people who moved there gets older, the next group becomes the protectors of adobo, sour soup, and spring rolls. By learning these recipes, they keep history, language, and connection alive. The Filipino-Irish youth are proud to carry on a lively food tradition. Through food, they honor their ancestors and create their own special identity. The flavors of the Philippines will continue to be enjoyed at Irish tables for many generations. Every meal is a celebration of heritage, family, and the future. The story of Filipino food in Ireland is one of warmth, strength, and happy discovery. From simple kitchens to busy festivals, these flavors have found a home in Irish hearts. Food builds bridges, connecting communities, making friendships, and mixing traditions. Mixed dishes show a beautiful new identity, while the next generation makes sure traditions last. Filipino food is more than just something to eat, it's a celebration of sharing and belonging. The Filipino table is always open, always generous. This is your invitation. Be curious, be brave, and explore Filipino food. Visit a Filipino restaurant, try a recipe, or say yes to a friend's dinner invitation. Discover a world of flavor, comfort, and kindness. Experience the joy of Filipino-Irish connection, one delicious bite at a time. The adventure is waiting. Let's eat, join the feast, and become part of the story.